Alicia. I came from Poland, and it's my first time when I'm in Cambodia.
Hello, I'm Violeta from Poland, Polish PéTANQUE Federation. No, it's the first time, so it's a wonderful moment, and this meeting for you all today is so exciting for us. So great, thank you. Dziękuję in Polish.
Hello, I'm David Balinka. I'm from Poland.
I'm so excited and very interesting about your culture and about your behavior for the tourist people. So it's very exciting for me.
I'm so excited. I've never been a participant of competitions like this before. It's a big adventure of my life, and I hope I do my best to play as good as I can.
We, as usually, when we prepare to such a great event like the World Championship or European Championship, we try to prepare in the best way as we can, or only as we can. So I hope that we can show that Poland also can play pétanque. But we also are very excited that we can meet many new for us teams for the first time.
This kind of competition is my second time during the World Championship, and last year I was during the European Championship. Preparation about practicing all the methods about pointing or shooting, and of course mental training with my coach and my friends, and also with my team.
I hope that I make some new friends. I know a lot of new people. I can increase my level of playing pétanque and have fun.